Leaked launch date reveals Samsung's Galaxy S24 series debuts January 17th, 2024. Will 200MP Ultra camera and 45 watts charging make it unrivaled? Listen up, all you Samsung superfans. Some exhilarating Galaxy S24 news just hit the rumor mill. Sources say Samsung has secretly confirmed the official launch date for their highly anticipated next-gen flagship lineup. While Samsung themselves haven't made any announcements on their social channels yet, an unnamed insider spilled the details. According to them, the Galaxy S24 series will make its global debut on January 17th, 2024. Launch event and availability timeline. We know how excited all of you are getting your hands on these new devices. So let's break down what to expect regarding the launch event and exact availability timeline that was leaked. Pre-orders for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are slated to go live the very same day as the unveiling event on January 17th. This should give buyers a slight head start in securing that pre-order to ensure you'll be one of the first to own Samsung's latest and greatest. For those strategic early birds who do lock in a pre-order, reports indicate estimated delivery and arrival dates between January 26th and 30th. So within roughly 9 to 13 days, not too shabby. As for the official in-store release and general public launch, leaked reports have this pegged for January 30th. So just under 2 weeks after the initial announcement and pre-order phase. Again, Samsung themselves have yet to confirm anything. But if true, this preliminary launch timeline syncs up almost identically with what we've seen in years past for early year Galaxy S series releases. If January 17th is accurate, the hype is reaching an all-time fever pitch. Our credit card is ready for any bundle deals they announce, but we may have to restrain ourselves from smashing that pre-order button too aggressively and break our phone in the process. What about you? Are these leaked Galaxy S24 launch details getting you pumped and primed for upgrade time? Or are you happy sticking with your current device for now? We would ask you about this later, but let's talk about the display upgrades first. Display upgrades teased by leaked screen protectors. For a glimpse into the display tech and design changes Samsung has cooking up, we turn to renowned leaker Ice Universe. He recently showcased leaked screen protectors claimed to be fitted for the upcoming S24 series handsets. At first glance, the protectors signify that Samsung is taking an iterative, if it ain't broke, don't fix it approach. All three models echo the same front-facing aesthetics as their predecessors. We see the rounded corners retained on the regular S24 and S24 Plus. And the higher-end S24 Ultra keeps its signature sharper corners and sophisticated vibe. But peek a bit closer at the S24 Ultra protector, and you'll notice one subtle yet impactful refresh. The curved display edges have been replaced with flat sides similar to recent iPhone models. Samsung seems to be listening to feedback from users who dislike accidental screen presses with curved displays. Not to mention how tricky properly adhered screen protectors are with curves involved. For heavy S Pen users as well, this could be a welcome change. That said, flat displays do tend to make bezels more apparent, so it will be interesting to see if the other slimmed-down bezels and symmetry upgrades can offset this. Inspecting the protectors does corroborate those previous reports, suggesting boosted screen sizes across the board too. We can expect the S24 and S24 Plus to skew a bit taller and slimmer, while slightly thicker Z-axis dimensions may be coming for the Plus and Ultra models. But until we get hands-on time to see these design tweaks in action, take with a grain of salt. Processing and camera upgrades incoming. Shifting gears, let's cover some of the performance specs and camera hardware upgrades that are rumored for the Galaxy S24 family. All signs point to the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for the full lineup, with select global regions getting the Exynos 2300 instead. Combined with boosted Adreno graphics, expect tangible speed and efficiency uplifts no matter which variant you get. Previous Exynos shortcomings could be a thing of the past. As for the S24 Ultra, earlier reports pointed to a mammoth 200MP lens paired with 12MP and 10MP secondary cameras plus a periscope zoom assembly. We are sure camera samples will be flooding the internet on launch day and beyond. So while specs can improve, it really comes down to the post-processing and AI performance gains that count the most anyway. Regardless if they stick with the insane 200MP sensor or opt for the 108MP or 50MP route, early signs indicate the Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute photography and videography beast. January 17th is barely over 2 months away if these leaked timeframes shape up accurately. As Samsung's plans for the Galaxy S24 lineup come into focus, so does my growing excitement. The boosted screen sizes and refined dimensions could make for their most well-balanced handsets, yet in terms of comfort and immersion. Photography and cinematography enthusiasts will surely flock to the S24 Ultra and its next-gen camera assembly too, and not to mention what the cutting-edge Snapdragon Gen 3 silicon promises for bleeding-edge power and efficiency. Let's expand on additional rumored upgrades beyond the core performance, photography, and display enhancements mentioned earlier. The Ultra variant is tipped to flaunt an all-new titanium alloy frame for enhanced structural rigidity and sleek aesthetics. Apple set the bar high for premium feel with the iPhone 14 Pro's stainless steel chassis. Samsung aims to leapfrog them through lighter yet tougher titanium construction on the S24 Ultra. This new material palette also enables bolder colorway options like striking yellow and violet hues. Of course, traditional neutral black and gray variants stay in the mix for those seeking a more understated look. But we appreciate Samsung's willingness to push boundaries with vibrant colors suited to the preferences of various demographics. Another area seeing innovation is charging technology. The S24 Ultra may support blistering 45 speeds out of the box. This would finally bring Samsung's wired charging velocities closer to parity with competitors like OnePlus. Faster top-ups mean less downtime when you need to refuel your phone on the go. Samsung's proprietary wireless charging tech sees refinements too for quicker cable-free juicing, aligned with latest EPP 3.0 standards. And advancements in battery chemistry allow for higher capacities without ballooning thickness. So longer runtimes in a form factor on par with predecessors. Of course, we can't ignore the radically expanded AI capabilities in store. Samsung is pulling out all stops to compete with Google and Apple on machine learning enhancements through their new in-house Gauss platform. From intelligent photo editing to video call translations and summarizing documents, next-gen on-device AI promises to ease daily workflows tremendously. While some details remain fluid, the Galaxy S24 Ultra paints an undeniably tantalizing picture. The titanium construction, revamped camera systems, upgraded Snapdragon power, enhanced displays, supercharged AI smarts, and blazing fast charging capabilities cement its status as the ultimate cutting-edge Samsung flagship. What potential feature or specification has you most amped for the Galaxy S24 series launch next year? Which model are you leaning towards pre-ordering? Or are you perfectly content with your current device still? Let us know in the comments below. Well, that's all for today. If you liked this video, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.